to another episode of Eat Natural, Live Healthy with Lagos Housewife. Today, I told you, I said I'll be showing you things you can be making for your children healthy. And I know a lot of children love jam. Yes, so I'm going to teach you how to make healthy, nutritious, all natural jam for your children and for yourself. I know we love jam too. And because someone gave me a whole box of strawberries, I now said, oh, strawberry jam will be the perfect thing to do today. And to show you how simple it is, I'm using only 3 ingredients. The strawberries. Just know that the sweeter they are, the sweeter your jam will be. These are very sweet strawberries. One thing you should know about strawberries is when they are plucked before they are fully ripe and then they ripen them separately, it makes it tart. That's what gives strawberries that tart taste that many people do not like. But these ones are Nigerian just strawberries, where the farmers allowed it to ripen before plucking them. They are very sweet, very juicy, very delicious. So that's what I'll be using for today. And chia seeds. Now, I want you to know, apart from the health benefits of chia seeds, one thing it will be doing in this jam is that it will thicken up the jam. This is what we'll be using to thicken it. So instead of using all those chemicals to thicken your jam, simply use chia seed or flax seed. Those ones will even add extra nutrients. And then, just for people who have sweet tooth, honey. If your child is below 1 and your child will be taken out of the jam, you can use date syrup, you can use jaggery. But the thing is, it just depends. Some strawberries are so sweet you do not need to add anything extra. I'm just keeping this here in case. If I need it, I'll add it, as in I want very sweet jam. If it's not, then no need to add it. Also, if by mistake you add a little too much sweetener to it, like jam or jaggery or date syrup, and it's like too sweet, just add a squeeze of lemon, fresh lemon, or apple cider vinegar, just a small pinch. That will help tone down the sweetness. So you see, very simple. Now let me show you the process. I have my pan here. Switch on your gas. Pour in the strawberries. Then use a potato masher just to press it a bit to bring out the juice. You can also use knife to cut it into smaller pieces if you prefer that. Okay, that is mashed enough. Now we are just going to let that boil and soften and break up very well. Ensure you keep stirring to avoid it burning. So just make sure you keep stirring and kind of mashing it small as you are stirring. Let's do a little mashing to see how soft it is now. Once you see the chunks in there are just giving way easily, it is ready. So this is actually ready now. You see that? I've been boiling for just approximately 10 minutes. That is beautiful. So I'm going to switch off my fire now, and I'll add a little bit of honey, two tablespoons of chia seeds. I use 2 cups of strawberry, so it's 1 tablespoon chia seed to 1 cup strawberry. Stir everything together. Make sure you scrape the sides down. Then cover it and leave the chia seeds to soften. Time to check. Can you see how it has thickened? That's what chia seed does. So instead of just using any artificial thickener, now I'm going to use my hand blender to make it smooth. This is entirely optional. If you don't mind chunky jam, no need. If you don't have a hand blender, simply you wait for it to cool, then pour it in your blender and blitz it. That's done. Let me pour this in my jar and I'll show you. So this is our strawberry jam. Can you see how easy that was? I think in all, everything took like 20 minutes, including the time we left it for the chia seeds to soften. So you can imagine the reason why you don't need to be buying artificial preservatives on healthy jam. You can see this is the pure natural color of strawberries. There's no coloring, no additives, no unhealthy sugars, no preservatives. Pure. You can be sure your children, yourself, your husband, your family, they are eating natural strawberry jam, infused with extract fiber, vitamins, omega-3, in the form of chia seed. And of course, don't forget honey. And if you're not using honey, date syrup or jaggery. Very simple. And those are the kind of things you can always expect on this channel to make your life so much healthier, sweeter, and fun. Until next time again, I'll be coming your way with another wonderful recipe. It's Lagos Housewife as always. Continue to share this channel with your family, friends, colleagues. Tell everybody about it. Tell them to subscribe and to give me a thumbs up. And I'll really appreciate it. Till next time, bye.